Okay, hey girls, I'm going to do a bunch of some examples for equations. That'll help you work on the handout that I posted. So I'm going to give you an equation that you would have done at the end of kind of grade 8, and we'll pick it up here. Actually, just make that positive. There. Okay, so 5x minus 4 equals 3x plus 2. I want to get all the variables or letters on the left, like I've said to you, and we'll move all the constants to the right in this example. So this is going to look like 5x minus 3x minus 4. And I'm going to subtract it here to get this to be equal to 0. Because that will be 0, so I'm left with 2. 5 take away 3 is 2x minus 4. So now I got to get this constant to this side, and this is subtraction, so the opposite is addition. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Now that's gone. So 2x is equal to 6. I just need to divide by whatever is stuck to that x. In this case, it's a 2. And there I'm left with a positive variable, which I want. And 3 would be our answer for that one. Okay, try another one here. How about 5x over 4 plus 3 is equal to 18. Remember, I want to do the opposite of BEDMAS, so I'm going to start with addition or subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. There's how I get rid of it. And I need to do the same on this side. So we have 5 quarters x is equal to 15. Now I need to get rid of this 4. So the opposite of dividing is going to be a multiply by 4. So I'm left with 5x equals 60. And I just need to divide both sides by 5. So there's my positive variable, and x is equal to 12. Good. Okay, next one here, let's try one with distribution. 3 and x times 5. And that's going to be all over 7 minus 2 equals 4. Okay, so again, reverse BEDMAS. I'm going to get rid of this 2 first. I can distribute this here if I like now. This is going to be 3x plus 15 over 7 minus 2. So let's get rid of it. Plus 2 and 4 plus 2. Pencil broke. Oh. So we've got 3x. Holy smokes, the biceps. Over 7 is equal to 6. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 7 now. This is really 7. This is really 7 over 1, but anyway, that's going to get rid of that. And that. So we're going to get 3x plus 15 is equal to 42. Okay, so I need to subtract 15 from both sides. So we get 3x is equal to 27. So I need to divide both sides by 3. And my pencil keeps breaking because my biceps are, I guess, too big. Holy smokes. And x is equal to 9 for that one. Excuse my biceps. Jeez. Okay, got one more for you. This one's going to be a real bear. Actually, I've got two more for you. I'll just give us this one here. So 4/15 x minus 4/5 is equal to 8/3 x plus 4. So I would make them all fractions. And I'm going to look for the lowest common denominator. Between 15, 5, 3, 1. 15 will be it. So what we got to do is multiply both sides by 15. Okay. So this is going to give us 4x here. You with me? Okay, minus 15 times 4 is 60. Divided by 5 is 12. 15 times 4 is minus 60. Divided by 5 is 12. So we cleared all the fractions. This one here is 3. That would be 120. 8 times 15 is 120. Divided by 3 is 40. And this is 4 times 15 is 60. You with? Okay. So now we just have variables on both sides of the equation. I'm going to actually move this over here so I don't deal with a negative variable. So I'm going to do subtraction on both sides. So there's minus 4x 60. Careful, this negative sign comes with the 12. And 40 take away 4 is 36x plus 60. So I got to get this constant over here by subtracting. Minus 12 minus 60 is equal to 36x plus, and then we need to subtract it there too. So I've got 30, holy smokes. So we got 36x over there. Careful, the integers here. This is going to be negative 72. And I just need to divide both sides by 36. Minus 2 is equal to x. Remember, the variable always has to be positive. That's why I decided to move things over to the right that time. Okay? I'll post this, and hopefully you can work on those equations.